Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to create this very beautiful Sankranti special card. So I will show you how to create this shaker kite card, and when you will open the card you will get a pop-up surprise. So I have created this boy who is flying the kite and some kites embellishments, and I have written Happy Kite Festival. So let's start with the procedure. For this we need acetate sheet or OHP sheet, some colored markers, liquid glue, double-sided foam tape, some sequences to add in shaker, paper cutter, pencil, black marker, scissor, green and yellow color thick sheets. First I am taking this yellow color sheet which measures 20 by 12 centimeters, and I have just folded this in half. Now from left side I am making some markings. This paper is having 250 GSM thickness. So mark on 2.5, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 9.5 centimeters. Now I am just making lines on these markings. Rotate your sheet, and on this side I am marking on 2 centimeters. Similarly on upper flap I am marking on 2. Now just make a line, and for the middle one I am marking on 2.5 centimeters and again make a line. So it will look like this. Now we need to cut all these vertical lines. Now I am folding these flaps. Now just open the card and pop these flaps inside the card. So this is the basic pop-up mechanism. Now I have already created these embellishments and I have colored using some colored sketch pens. If you want these embellishments, I have given link in description box for the template. You can download from there. You just need to color and fussy cut those embellishments. Now take back your card and I will connect these embellishments to the pop-up panels. So this is done. Now I am decorating the card from inside using some colored markers. Now I am writing the sentiment Happy Kite Festival using pink color gel pen. Like this. Now I'm taking this base green card which measures 22 by 13 centimeters and I have just folded in half. Now I will connect the pop-up card inside this green card. So the base card is ready. Now I have created this kite shape on yellow color paper which is having approx 9 cm height and 6 cm width. Now I will cut this kite shape. Also I am creating the inner 2 triangles inside the kite in which I will add sequences to create the shaker element. Like this. Now I have already cut one piece of acetate sheet. Now I am adding glue and connecting this acetate sheet on top of the kite. The acetate sheet should be same size as kite. Now I am adding the tail to the kite. For this I have just cut one triangle shape. Now on back side I am adding double-sided foam tape. All the border should be covered with double-sided foam tape so that we can add sequences or micro pearls or anything inside the shaker element. Now I am adding some pink and purple sequences and some micro beads. Now remove all the liners of double-sided foam tape. And I am connecting one green sheet to cover this. Before that I am adding some glue on the tape. And now I am connecting with green sheet. So the shaker kite is ready. Now cut excess paper. So this is done. Now I'm adding one decorative border with the card. I have created this border using zigzag scissors. Cut excess paper. Now I have created this tail of the kite using yellow color paper, and I have just added two brown color triangles and half cut pearl to decorate this tail of the kite. So I am connecting the tail. And now connect the kite. Like this. Now I am writing Happy Sankranti sentiment using my black permanent marker. And also adding some punched stars here and there to decorate the card. If you don't have star punch, you can also add half cut pearls, or you can draw anything using colored markers. Like this. So the beautiful Sankranti special kite shaker card with the pop-up embellishment is ready. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.